put it right now.
Okay. Okay.
The big table.
Like where the or I guess where the ice creams would actually be.
Oh yeah, like in the middle.
Yeah, like because it kind of, I mean, it
Right
looks
here.
kind of like a long table.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just so that we know what where the customers would be, I guess, and where the employees would be space wise.
So I'll change this to like
Yeah,
I
longer.
have a giant dance floor in the middle.
Giant tabletop.
So basically kind of like that, like actually no, we need to have all this back here and this is for the customer.
Mhm.
So we're keeping the blender in the back of the house.
Necessarily, we can move that up.
Or we could say we're keeping in the back because of the noise, like because it can be really loud. I don't know.
Yeah.
We have the blender listed as back of the house.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll move all these. I'll make these, I'll arrange that later. I'll make these smaller or whatever, make them fit better. Because I'm sure we've got multiple of something, maybe this officer. But that's all, that'll be behind this table.
Mhm.
Do we want to like line both sides here? Like we like basically probably all along these walls with whatever supplies and stuff we need.
Yeah. So you should have another hand. We have the compartment sink.
We'll have trash and recycling in both the front and the back, or recycling only in the front.
Yeah.
Yeah, she has a trash, like the circle in the back of the house. So
I'll put a recycle back there too for us. Oh my goodness.
doggy.
That's fine. My husband just got home. He'll start freaking out. Okay. Okay. We'll play with that. That's it. All right. Are we missing any equipment or anything?
Ice machine.
Ice machine.
This is for the back of the house.
So where do we want to put that?
Probably near the refrigerators.
Maybe like next to the blender so we can
I was gonna say the blenders probably are gonna go on top of the
food prep.
like table, like on top of the table. So
Yeah, kind of like that.
yeah.
I'll make that smaller too. I'll put a couple there.
Mhm.
So maybe actually I do this. Golly.
No, it's a lot of work.
Why people do this all day? I go nuts. Like graphic designers. Okay. Okay. I'll put a
Great.
couple on there. And that'll be ice machine. Oh no. Oh, do we need like topping dispensers? I can't remember what's on our list.
We do have those like storage containers, but I'm not sure if she wants us to draw everything. You could
Okay.
probably say these are storage shelves with containers, like storage containers.
Okay.
I can
This
add that
one-
on here. So I'll just say storage containers are in the back of the house and they have toppings in them.
Toppings, so like toppings on the top, and then chemical sanitizers like on the bottom.
Separate.
Yeah, because we do need to include it, except I'm just double checking. I'm pretty sure you're allowed to just store it on the very bottom as long as it's not on top of food.
Well, and we do have like 3 separate.
Yeah, we could just say, there's, okay, I'll say one is for toppings and one is for,
I think you're right, Jill. I think as long as we have it separate, you know, like the underneath the food. Should be
Okay. It's like I need a double check.
We do like food, we could do food storage and then like cleaning storage or something, or we do food, like supplies and
Yes.
cleaning.
Like try and keep chemicals and other stuff separate.
Yeah,
Sure, and where
yeah,
was
like coffee, just random stuff like that. And then there's sink, right? Yeah.
So I
No,
think
that's a hand dryer.
do you guys wanna, we do have wet floor signs as part of like back of house equipment. I'm not sure how you guys wanna express that on the picture.
Well, maybe just. I mean, I don't really know.
It's
You don't really take those out unless you need them to
That's
be out.
true.
No.
Yeah, we'll just have them listed.
I could say that we have them in storage.
we
Yeah.
could.
On the storage list. Tuck them away like right here or something. I wonder if we should put like a little small table here though too, and just put like. Cause I'm thinking like when we have some toppings out, like right there while we. Serve them the ice cream and stuff like that.
Wait, I'm sorry, can you say that again?
Like back, like maybe along this wall right here.
Mm-hmm.
Like just a table with just random stuff like spoons, napkins, and like I'm thinking we'll have some topping. We won't have all of our toppings in the back, like when we have some out front to put on the ice cream. Anyway, we could have stuff back here somewhere.
I think we probably need a table in the back for like the coffee machine and the hot fudge, since it has to be like elevated.
Yeah,
Mhm.
As the soft serve is, it's a pretty big machine, so it can probably just stand on its own.
Yeah.
So why don't I just say we have a small table in the front of the house that will have cups, spoons, napkins, etc.
yeah, stuff like that.
Mm.
That works.
Maybe I'll try to put it over here. Oh, that's not hard.
Oh gosh darn it.
I don't know. This one went over. But
Oh, there's like you can I don't know how to use Apple. It's like you right click and I think you say put it behind or like at the very back or something.
yeah, maybe.
Do we want to have a separate area for like the doggy ice cream?
Oh, you want to designate a separate area for them?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe just because like ice creams like can get like super messy, you know, like when you're like scooping it up and like putting into the cup.
Oh, you mean at the front of the house?
Yeah, the front of the house.
We could, let's see how many machines.
Or like even if we put like a little barrier in between, just like for one side being for dogs and one side being for,
We could.
or like a table in the back that you grab from for your pet, so they could still like move across, you know, because like the cash register would probably be on one side.
Yeah, we need to have a register. Excuse me.
I guess if anything, we could have a separate a freezer in the back with the doggy ice cream, and then. Oh wait, that might be a little too much work.
So we
could we
could say, sorry, go ahead.
I was gonna suggest like a divider or something.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Okay, we can mention that.
There's a
Yeah.
divider here. I could label it too. I could put like human ice or whatever people like. And then
People
like
ice
dog ice cream.
Yeah.
We
We
could just
can-
I feel
differentiate
like
that
a
way.
lot of the ice cream is for both though, isn't it? Like, there's just certain things that we're keeping away from the dogs, like chocolate and dairy, but like,
No, dogs shouldn't have regular ice cream because of the sugar and also dairy. So I think doggy ice cream, if anything, we should kind of treat it almost like an allergen.
Yeah,
For the
that's what I
dogs?
was thinking.
Yeah. So for the humans, it would be okay to consume the doggy ice cream. It's more of the dogs getting some sort of like human ice cream.
What if we
'Cause we
just,
all-
did, like, oh, go ahead.
We also mentioned like the doggy toppings too. Like we're not gonna have the milk, like the dog treat toppings near like the other stuff. Like just
Yeah. Bacon we can share, but doggy treats, no.
So what if we do like, this side is more like for people, and then we just create like a small divide here. And then just like a little table here that's just dog ice cream, dog toppings, like we keep everything separate, like sides of the house.
Mhm.
That could work.
Does that work?
Okay, and then so Gretchen, you're gonna work on this specifically, and then maybe one person can help you with like all the dimensions, and then I think we're just writing the descriptions for the plan flow and decor and the
Yeah,
report.
Yeah,
yeah.
that should be the end of the discussion.
Yeah,
I put a lot of it already.
yeah,
I think we're pretty well covered for the plan and the decor.
Yeah, what I can do is I can play with this and make sure that from what I can see, it's all in here. I'll play with everything. And then if somebody wants to pair with me and just come back and check it. And let me know what changes anything, then the discussion part can be done. We'll just recreate this for the bakery. Is that cool? Okay.
Yeah, we might have to just make some changes for it.
Is there anything else that we need to put in the discussion part though? Like as far as talking right now?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I think we're pretty much all set. Oh, I would put the compartment sink behind the tables somewhere if possible.
Oh,
yeah, maybe the wall.
Yeah.
We haven't used any sources. That's the only thing.
Oh, I used her lecture slides to
Yeah, and
about
like
gallery.
she gave us like the link to that like web restaurant website too.
yeah, I feel like our references would be pretty much the same as they were last time. The only difference is which flow we decided to use, which would be like the textbook, right?
Yeah. There was one link to that she put under like one of the weeks, the modules. And it was like for one of the reading quizzes, I think, that talked about like the different kitchen styles.
Yeah.
So we
Yeah,
can put that too.
okay.
So for references, I'm gonna use the same. Wait, last week, we just put a link. Did we ever actually like cite it?
I thought we
I
did.
think so, yeah. I didn't use just the website link. I don't know if the citation was correct because it was just the website and it wasn't like. I think it was correct. I'll go back and look at the feedback and see if there's anything like this was wrong or whatever, but we can cite it the same way. I can put the site the same way.
Okay, for now, I'll just take that same link and put it into this one, so we just have it here.
Okay.
Okay, that's what we have so far.
Okay, cool.
Awesome.
Yeah. Kind of.
Yay, our ice cream store.
Should we just like figure out who's doing what for the rest of the stuff so that we know?
Yeah,
Mhm. Wait, we
think
should
we're
end
good for
recording
the yeah.
Yeah, well, I can keep working on this. Just, like I guess I'll have to figure out if I can swap these around for the doors. And just make sure it looks a little bit cleaner. Who wants to maybe double check me, I guess?
I can double
I
check.
can,
Yeah.
but
Or-
it wouldn't be till
We can
later.
all take a look, I guess. It's fine.
We can all do it.
Okay,
Mhm.
okay.
Yeah, more the merrier.
And then
Mhm.
I'll obviously have the recording, so I can, I'll upload this to YouTube for the links to that.
Okay. So this is like, we're almost done.
Mm-hmm.
Think so? Oh, excuse me.
And then for the worksheet,
Are we still recording?
Yeah, if we're done
Yeah.
with this part, I'll stop the recording if I get.
Okay, yeah, I think we're good.
Okay.